Hello, I'm in a 2019 Mitsubishi Mirage, and today I'm going to show you to set and disengage your parking brake. So right here is the lever we pull for your parking brake. Right now it's disengaged. So if we want to set your parking brake, we'll push this button and lift. And then when you release that, the parking brake is now engaged. And you can see on the dash as well, it's indicating that the brake is on. And then to disengage, we'll push this button and lower it. And now it's disengaged. And you can see it went away on the dash as well. And sometimes this might feel like it got stuck. So say it's kind of stuck and it won't let you move it. Usually you can fix that by, as you're trying to force this button through, just lift it even higher. Sometimes it gets kind of caught in like a halfway position. But if you're having issues there, yeah, just pull it further up as you push that button, and then it should let you release it. But again, disengaged right now and engaged. But I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.